What's up? In this video, we'll be working on scratch transitions, and we're going to keep stepping things up and working through a progression. We started this series by ending a 4-bar phrase with a 16th note, the of beat 4, which is the last 16th note in the bar, and dropping on beat 1. In the last video, we worked on ending our phrase on the and of beat 4 and dropping on beat 1. In this video, we're going to end our 4-bar phrase with a quarter note and drop on beat 1. All right? Now that I got that out of the way, let's go over the phrase. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. In earlier videos, I mentioned if you're having trouble, it helps to work on the phrase and the release of the record separately. Sometimes you just need to break things down into chunks, okay? Let's move on to the transition. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're having issues with timing the release, take a break from the rhythm and just focus on releasing the record cleanly in time. Leave the fader open and baby scratch quarter notes. That's 1 scratch per beat to lock in the timing. Then drop on beat 1. Once you've got that, put it all together. I hope this helps you out. Hit the like button. See you soon. Peace.